Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we just talked about a security researcher called Shushin Lee, and we just had a video about the Windows Health and Optimization Experience service that he's reversed engineered to see if it was spying on us or not. And he's found another interesting tidbit, and this one is kind of interesting. If you generate AI pictures on your PC and have them open either in Photo app or create them with the Paint app, it seems that Microsoft actually adds some digital watermark to it. So what he says is that every time an AI picture is created, a copy of it is being sent to Microsoft servers. There, it is, according to Microsoft, to be kind of moderated and make sure that everything's all right, and approved by the standards of what Copilot and all of that does. And it actually returns a copy back to you that is embedded with a 128-bit kind of signature, if you want, that all AI pictures will have. So this is kind of interesting. It would be more interesting if Microsoft would be a little more open. We know that some AI services have actually told us that they were embedding watermarks in AI texts and AI images. And one of the reasons is that, it would be easy to see if a picture is created by AI in that way. So Microsoft kind of, says, well, we're getting your pictures that are AI created, but and for moderation, but it doesn't openly say, we're putting a watermark in it, which is kind of a little dumb. They should be more open. I mean, AI companies are open to say, yeah, we do it. Why doesn't Microsoft just plain say, yeah, we do it? I personally think it's a good idea, anyways, for any AI image to have some form of identification that makes it easy for, apps to find out, oh, this is AI. That would make life easier for a lot of people for a lot of things. So, that it does it, that doesn't bother me at all. That they're not telling us is kind of a different thing. So this is by analyzing pictures made with Copilot and so on, that he discovered that, yep, there's some digital watermark being added to all the AI pictures that you might have with Photos, Paint, and of course the ones created by Copilot. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.